What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a photo shoot in the bedroom. Ooh, sorry, don't mind the bathroom. We'll be doing a photo shoot today in my bedroom with the backdrop and all of the nice little fixings. If you would like to see how I slayed in a few of my Instagram photos and how I do all the time, stay tuned and you can learn how to do stay-at-home photos too. Currently, I'm not dressed or anything, but I just did my face. You know, light little beat on the eyes, nothing major. My hair's been this little, I did some perm rods or whatever, so this is how my hair's been looking for the past few days, and I think it's just so cute. So I'm going to be taking like some spring-ish photos in the house. I would like to do them outside, but you know, Ohio wants to give us 4 seasons in a week, so there's nothing I can do about that, but that's not gonna delay what I wanna do. So I'll be doing this on the inside. I have an outfit. It is a dress that I got from Walmart or whatever. I'll be wearing that, and I might do an outfit change, not necessarily sure, but then I also have some props, like some flowers, some DIY flowers that I did from Dollar Tree or whatever. I'll be using those as a prop. Puppy, really. So yeah, that's what I'll be using. So I'm about to get dressed, and then I'll be right back, and then I'll be hopefully standing in front of where I'll be taking my photos. All right, so this is what I'll be taking my photo in. These are just some stickers from Dollar Tree and some flowers and some other bigger stickers from Dollar Tree. So I spent like actually $4 because I also got yellow flowers, but I'm not really using them because I'm just really feeling the orange. So yeah, this is what I'll currently be looking like, and stay tuned to see what kind of poses I'm doing. Granted, I'm not like a professional model or anything like that, so my pose game, whack, first of all, okay? I'm gonna hit you with the basics, and then, you know, lately I've been looking at TikToks and stuff like that about angles and all of that, but I'll see what I can do. Hopefully I could spice it up a little bit. Also, I want to let you guys know, sorry, I have a halls in my mouth. Also want to let you know, to be successful with this, you need a clicker, okay? Plain and simple, you need a clicker, because who wants to keep setting the timer for 10 seconds and you only have like 2 seconds to actually think of a pose? So get you a clicker, sis. The flowers, that my little Dollar Tree DIY flowers or whatever. So I'm gonna be using these in my photo. So currently with those photos, I was doing it horizontally. I'm pathetic, right? I was doing them horizontally or whatever, so now I'm gonna do it vertically so I can get like full body, okay? So, ooh, I'm over so close. So, that went pretty well. Normally I get hot and tired and just frustrated, mostly frustrated because I just don't know what to do, but today was pretty good. I just hope that when I take these stickers off, they don't mess up my makeup, because I might want to take more pictures. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I will be posting my pictures on Instagram, and I might pop a few in here, but if you want to see more of them, then they'll be on my Instagram page at Tyshawn the New. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you did or if you didn't, just comment down below. You know, if you have a few critiques, I'm open, because listen, I want to get better. I want to be a boss. So you got to be able to take it. So leave some comments down below, subscribe to my channel, because this will be an ongoing thing, and also like this video. So thank you guys for tuning in once again. Bye.